over 800 people dressed as Santa took part in a fun run in Dublin over the weekend in aid of the Irish Heart Foundation. The run, known as the Santa Dash, took place along the beach in Clontarf.
Run for a good Claus was the motto, and despite the rain and cold, hundreds put on their running shoes and Santa suits in aid of people suffering from heart disease or stroke.
We would generally do something for charity each Christmas, and this is a lovely one because it involves the entire family, so it's just a really good cause.
And while some were running just for fun, others were there for more personal reasons.
My dad passed away of a stroke in 2010, so just for Stroke Action Ireland and the Irish Heart Foundation, so it means a lot.
It's good to be here and good to give the Heart Foundation a good kick.
For the Irish Heart Foundation, the event is not just a fundraiser, but a message about the need for exercise, even on cold winter days and indulgent Christmas evenings.
It doesn't have to be a race, it can be out strolling even after the Christmas dinner, going out for, a 30-minute walk.
This is the third year of the Irish Heart Foundation's Santa Dash, and its largest so far, with over 800 runners taking part. They hope that it's an event that's going to continue to grow and become a family favourite every Christmas.
Merry Christmas!